This is Erwin for swirlingovercoffee.com, and we're going to unbox, check out the contents and the specs of the new Cherry Mobile Flare XL Plus. It says Plus, but it doesn't have the biggest display. So this is priced at 4,000 pesos. So if you want a big-ish phone, 5.5 HD display, 13 megapixel rear, 8 megapixel front camera, this is good. Goodbye. So not goodbye, but goodbye. So I'm going to pull it out. Almost. Come on. All right. Looks the same. Just a quick. It's very colorful. Just a quick look at the specs. You can see there, Android Lollipop, not full HD display, not LTE, but it is dual SIM, dual standby, I presume. It's not Marshmallow yet. There's no battery information here. So we're gonna take a look what's inside the box. Here we go. Yeah. We got the white one. Usually the sticker on the glass contain most of the specs, and we're gonna take a look at that. It says 2300 mAh. Everything else checks out and repeats what's behind the box. So here it is. Prism reflective plastic rear. Not much flexing going on. Oh no, did you hear that? It clicked. Camera, there you go. Please don't break. Don't break. Plastic. Metallic frame all around. Headphone jack. Charging port. Everything's on top. Okay. There you go. Not bad. Side bezels are okay. Chin and forehead, it looks like a generic phone. Let's look at what's inside this thing. Remember a while ago, and when I clicked here, it made this denting sound. I'm worried if I destroyed something. Incompetent. There you go. There's no battery yet. The battery is still here somewhere. That's why it's hollow. That's why I clicked. That's what made the sound. There's no battery here. If there had been a battery here, it wouldn't make a worrisome sound. So two SIMs of different sizes. I don't know. We'll check it out. SIM standard and micro. Two sizes. Better to see you with. Let's check out what else is inside the box. Earphones. Usually you have better earphones at home. Charging cable. I'm too lazy to pull it out of this plastic bag. Charger, battery, pamphlets you pretend to read but actually don't. Yeah. And we finished it. So let's just go back here. It's a big phone. The camera protrudes, but it looks sturdy. It feels sturdy. It's light, very light. Curvature on the sides make for a good hold. It's not that slippery. So the prism alternates between a certain pattern that provides some grip. Yeah. So this is the white version. There's another version. It's in the box somewhere. Oh, I'm sorry. Silver. So it comes in white and silver. Okay. We're going to take this for a spin and get back to you with a full review of the Flare, the Cherry Mobile Flare XL Plus. 5.5-inch screen, 2 gig RAM, probably good enough performance, good battery life. Doesn't feel cheap despite the price, 4,000 pesos only. Alright, see you when I see you. Thank you for watching.